Hey, this is Marvelyn Brown at Inner Word Business Services, and today I'm going to talk to you about 6 ways to excel at affiliate marketing. So, if you're new to affiliate marketing, or even if you've been at it for a while, if you're not getting the results you've been looking for, there are some tips that I'm going to share with you today that will help you get better results. So let's just take a look at a few of the ways that you can improve your ability to earn commissions and convert more customers. So basically, this is the way that I think a lot of affiliate marketers kind of leave money on the table. There are things that we do in our daily practice, things that we might not know about when we start out. And so that's why I want to do this video, because these are small things that make a huge difference. So we're going to talk about each one of these. And then you can get even more detail if you head over to my blog at innerwordservices.com. And I'm going to I'll put a link to the blog post, and I'll also embed this video in the actual post. So the things that I think are really important, the things that kind of stand in the way of really making a difference with your affiliate marketing are these 6 items. No ugly links, building relationships, using short videos, being genuine, deep linking to your products, and disclosing your affiliate relationships. So let's talk about each one of these. So you got a glimpse of this slide. I kind of got ahead of myself, but this is an example of an ugly link. So when you see a link like this, you may know what that link is because you are an affiliate. You know that this link looks a little bit busy, but it has a lot of information in it. It has your affiliate tracking code, which is the most important thing, but it's got a lot of stuff in there that lets your advertiser know that this person came from your particular link, and that's how you get your commission. So it looks okay to you. You know that it's busy, but you understand what it's about. However, when you have the average consumer who is out there looking for products and services, and they see this link on your social media post, they're going to think that something's wrong. They're going to run for the hills. They're not going to click on it. And so you've got to find a way. You've got to find a workaround that will enable you to use your affiliate link with all of this busyness so that you will get your commission. And so I give you several workarounds in the blog post. There are a couple of ways that you can do it, and you also have to realize too that different social media channels have different requirements. So I talk about a lot of that on in my blog post, and so head over to the blog post to really check all of that out. I don't want to make my video really long, so I'm not going to go into a lot of detail here, but just know that if you have ugly links like this, there are ways that you can work around this so that you can get your affiliate commission, you can meet the needs of your social media channels, as well as making these links look good for your customers so that you don't scare people off, when they're out there looking at your affiliate links. So the next thing we're going to talk about is building relationships. So this is very important because I think a lot of people, when they start with affiliate marketing, they think that, all I have to do is just, put a link out there, run some traffic to it, and I'm going to make all this money. Well, that's all well and fine, and you may be getting results that way, but you get a lot more, I say, long-term residual results when you build relationships with your prospects. So you may have people out there that are clicking on your links, They may make, you may make a few sales or whatever, but if people don't really know who you or your business is, they're going to be a lot less likely to pull out their credit card and buy from you, especially on an ongoing basis. So you don't want to just get one sale. You want to have sales that continue over time. And the only way that you can do that is to build relationships. And again, I give you some ways that you can do that in my blog post. Next, another way that you can excel with affiliate marketing is to start using short videos. You can build a YouTube channel that, specializes in your affiliate reviews, your affiliate experiences, little tips, tricks, hacks, things that people can do to get more out of using the products that you're promoting. So it's not enough sometimes to just put a link out there and send people to your advertiser's website. You want to add value because you want to distinguish yourself from all the other people out there who might be promoting the same product that you're promoting. So video is something that's relatively easy to do with equipment you already have. So if you have a cell phone, if you have a laptop, if you have a tablet, you already have everything you need to do a very short video. Video is also something quick. You can do a video in less than 15 minutes to promote your affiliate products. And believe it or not, video goes a lot further when it comes to building that know, like, and trust factor. So think about using video. If you're not using video already, think about, starting to use videos. Think about maybe establishing a YouTube channel that, specializes, kind of sets you up as a, an authority or someone that really knows a lot about whatever it is that you're promoting, whatever subject matter you're promoting. The next thing you want to do is you want to be genuine. You don't want to get out there and just start promoting products that you have absolutely no experience with. And I see people doing that, and believe it or not, people can kind of tell when you know what you're talking about and when you don't. So, how can you really expect to do a good job of convincing someone to buy a product that you have no experience with? Or another way around this, I know that sometimes it's, impossible to, buy every single product that you're out there promoting, but what you can do is you can maybe interview someone who has bought the product. Maybe you can go out to like a Facebook group, or you can find someone who has actually bought the product, interview them, and then use that as your feedback. You can also get feedback from reviews and things that people leave online, especially if you're on Amazon. So Amazon has a lot of ways for people to leave reviews about their experiences with their products. They can rate the product. They can actually write out a review. You can utilize those kinds of tools as well. But the best way to do it, to me, is to actually buy the product. How did you find the product? How did you, what was your experience when you went through the order process? Did you have any experiences with their customer service? When you got the product, a lot of times products look great online, and then when you get them home and you actually look at them, they don't look that great. So that's another reason why you really want to have experience with a product. You want to make sure that you're promoting products that are high quality, that look the way that they, when you get them home, they look the way that they looked online, and that they actually work. So think about that, when you're doing your affiliate reviews or you're promoting products. Make sure that you're genuine and that you're actually, talking about your experiences with something that you have used. Next, you want a deep link to your products. Now, I see a lot of people not doing this. So deep linking just means that you are taking your prospective buyer straight to the product you want them to buy. You're not just taking them to the home page of your merchant or your advertiser. You're taking them to, directly to what you're promoting. So you don't want to do the work and then hand the commission off to someone else. It's very important for you to control. You have to take control of the process from the time that someone clicks on your link to the time that they make a purchase. And I talk about that in depth on my blog post, because I see a lot of people that, you know, they send people straight to their advertiser's website, but they remove their business, they remove themselves out of the process. And so I talk about ways that you can include your business in that process so that you can, number one, build relationships, and you can provide this extra service like deep linking, building relationships, following up. You want to also be able to follow up with people to make sure they had a good experience. And then if they didn't have a good experience with your advertiser, you might want to reconsider, you know, the products and services that you're promoting. So good customer service is a big part of, you know, any transaction. The ordering process, was it good? Was it smooth? Was it bumpy? Did they have problems? All of those things go into, you know, a buying decision. Last but not least, you want to disclose your affiliate relationship. So you want to be transparent. You don't want to just go out and start, you know, promoting, and, you know, people are really not sure whether it's your product, and are you giving the big question with affiliate products is, are you giving a review, a great review of this product because you want to sell the product and get a commission, or have you had a really great experience with this product? And so if you're someone who's just going out and, you know, filling people's inboxes and social media profiles, the social media feeds rather, with stuff that you know nothing about, you're not disclosing your relationships, and you're not really allowing people to make an informed decision. You might make money for a while doing that, but, you know, people really want value. And so the way that you can really provide value is by disclosing your relationships, being transparent, being genuine, giving people real reviews, real information based on your experiences and your opinions. So those are the ways that I think a lot of times, you know, we kind of miss out on making the most money that we can and maximizing our affiliate marketing efforts. And so if you want more details, especially some of those workarounds that can really help you to make more money, you know, head over to my blog post where you can get more information. Now, I also have a lot of information about affiliate marketing, how to get started, what to do, and also information on some of the various networks and how, you know, they work. It's really a great resource. My blog is a great resource for anyone who is interested in getting into affiliate marketing. And especially if you are a blogger, this is a great way for you to earn income. So head over to inwardservices.com, and the category is affiliate marketing. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I will see you on the next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.